All right, so my name is Doris Angel. I'm a Ghanaian residing in Germany, and I'm happy to have you all attend today's business presentation. And I hope you would enjoy it. And at the end, you are going to take that bold step, that bold decision to also join the winning train. Whilst I'm presenting, if you have any questions, if you have any contributions, anything, you can type it in the chat. But if you're an activated member and you have questions concerning your trades or anything that has to do with an activated member, please reserve it for Wednesday, or you can see me backdoors, or you can type it in the WhatsApp group after the presentation. Like after everything, we'll attend to you over there. But today, it's mainly for prospects, new people who wants to know more about cryptocurrency, new people who wants to know more about the amazing blockchain miracle. Okay, so yeah, that is why we are gathered here. I'm trying to grab this. Okay, all right. So I have my file here ready for action, action, action. Are you guys excited that you are here? Are you excited? I hope you came along with someone. You didn't join the Zoom alone. Because if you didn't invite not even a single soul, then I don't know. I don't know why you attended this party alone. Are you trying to be selfish? I hope not. Leader Doris Great is not here. Leader Doris Great. Leader Valucci. If your downline is not here, your direct downline, please forward it to them privately and let them also share it with their downlines. Okay, let's get everybody here. Okay. You know, some people have gone to work, they are now returning back home. Uh, oh, Madam Margaret just joined. I see you in the building. You're welcome. Madam Margaret from South Sudan is in the building. Oh, my twinnie is here. Leader Aminata. Leader Aminata, my twinnie. She's in the building. She's one of the great leaders from France. She's also Ghanaian, half Ivorian, okay? So great. Happy to have you here, my twinnie from another mother. Okay. Oh, who is Samuel? Okay, thank God. Because please, if you share the link with people, teach them how to connect the audio. Because I see people join, but because they are not hearing anything, they move out. When you join the Zoom, you always have to tap on join audio, okay, so that you'll be able to hear us, or else you just be seeing pictures without seeing anything, okay. All right, so back to business. Back to business. Soon, our guest will be in our midst. Oh, I think our guest just joined, just joined. So let's go straight to the point. I wouldn't like to beat too much around the bush. Okay. So yes, you're all welcome to RoyalQ business presentation. Now my question goes to our prospects. I want to know, how do you earn? How do you earn money? Are you an employee or are you self-employed? Are you a business owner or you are an investor? Let's see some feedbacks in the chat. Just type in the chat. Maybe you can just do it ESBI. Maybe if you are an employee, you can write E. If you're an investor, I. Just type it in the chat. Let's do it sharp, 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 sharp. Okay. I'm waiting for the feedback. If not, we will not continue. So give me feedback. Princess Minat says E and I. Okay, so she's an employee, meaning she has a job. She's working for someone. And the number of times that she works for is what she's going to be paid for. I see Dr. Umar, he is a business owner. That is great. So it means he owns a system and people work for him. That is good. I see B. Oh, I see E again. E, employee. Great. I see B and I. Essie says B and I. So she's a business owner and an investor. That is great. Rabbi Elvis say EBI. 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 Okay, thanks for the feedback. Lida Minata says S. Okay, self-employed. Pastor Joseph B. Mr. NSEI. Okay, great. Thanks for the feedback. So, guys, these are the four quadrants of how we earn, okay? And this quadrant was proposed by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, if you're an employee, it means you have a job, and the number of hours you work would determine how much salary you would earn. So it simply means if you fall sick, or maybe your child or your spouse, and you're not able to go to work for 2 weeks, for 1 month, for 3 months, it means there is no salary for you because your company needs you to be present. You need to input some hours of work before you will be paid. So, under the employee, there is nothing like leverage under the employee. I hope you guys are following. There is nothing like leverage under the employee. All right. Now let's look at self-employed. So those who said they belong to S, self-employed, it means you own a job. You are your own boss. You have your own saloon. You have your own supermarket shop. You have your own business that you are doing. So it means the number of times that you work will determine how much you make. So if you don't go to work, you don't open your shop, it means no money will come in for you. So under the self-employed too, there is no leverage. Now let's look at the business owner. With a business owner, you own a system. This simply means people work for you. So you are not present, but because of the people you have put together under one umbrella, as the people are contributing, as they are working, you are making money. So over here under business owner, you are leveraging on people to make money. Let's look at investor. Under the investor, your money works for you. It means if you have $1,000 and that $1,000 you've invested it into something, okay, into trading, that $1,000 will be trading for you. You are not there, but it is working for you. So you can see that one half of the quadrant falls under passive income. It doesn't need you to be present before you can earn. You don't need to show up. You will still earn. But let's look at the active income. That means if you are not present, there is no way work will go on. And if you don't work, you don't earn. So now that you know the difference between active income and passive income, where would you love to fall? Or if you're already under active income and you don't fall under the passive income, would you love to add some passive income so that in case the unforeseen happen, you know you have something to back you up? Now, after you earning your income, you must know how to grow it. Okay, there must be a strategy, something that you would use to grow your wealth. Okay, it's just like planting a seed, or you've just planted some small tree. You have to do something for it to grow and for it to yield fruits. Then you can be plucking the fruits or whatever. Do you get it? Now, how to grow your wealth? There are so many various ways. People grow their wealth through bank investments, others grow it through having some gold and silver, and people grow it through mutual funds, real estate. Then we have crypto. Now, look at the bank on my screen. You earn 5 to 7% per annum. Even this one, it depends on the country where you are. In Germany, here, the highest percentage you can make from your savings is 4.2%. Even that one, you must have more than 1 million euros. Ask yourself, how much salary are you earning that you'll be able to save up to 1 million and above for you to earn 4 point something? I saw one advert on this bank called Tago Bank. It's a bank in Germany, and they were advertising that 2.5 for 7,000 euros and above in your savings account per annum. So ask yourself, how much is 2.5% of 7,000? Gold and silver, 3 to 9% per annum. Mutual funds, 12 to 15% per annum. Real estate, 15 to 20% per annum. But let's look at crypto. You can see on my graph, it's really huge. It tells you that, oh my God, one can grow their wealth through cryptocurrency. Their wealth can grow exponentially through crypto. That brings us to my next question. What is cryptocurrency? Because if you don't understand what cryptocurrency is, you'll be like, then why should I grow my wealth through crypto? The whole thing will just be confusing you. You will not understand it. Okay. So cryptocurrencies are simply digital assets. Okay. Let's quickly go to one of the AIs. Okay. It's good to get information through internet. Make good use of it. What is cryptocurrency? All right. So cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike our traditional currencies that are issued by the government, like the United States dollar, the euro, the pound sterling, the Ghana cedis, the Ugandan shillings, the South African rands, the which currency again? In fact, you all know your currencies, right? Cryptocurrencies, they operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers called nodes. Now, let's look at some quick features of cryptocurrencies. They are decentralized. Most cryptocurrencies are not controlled by a central authority, meaning they are not controlled by a bank or a government. And it's built on a blockchain. Transactions are recorded on a transparent, immutable ledger. It has a limited supply. This is what makes it unique. Okay. Many cryptocurrencies have a cap on how many units can exist. Example, Bitcoin has a 21 million cap. Anonymity or pseudonymity. Transactions can be traced on the blockchain, but users can remain pseudonymous, meaning whoever sent you the money, you will not be able to see the person or know the person's details. You know, if I take your bank account, your bank details, and I send you money, you will definitely see my full name and my bank name. But with cryptocurrency, you can be in wherever country. I just need your wallet address. Once I send you the money, you would not even know my full name. Nothing shows. Okay. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is known to be the first cryptocurrency ever, and most of you have heard of it. Most people, when they hear of crypto, it's only Bitcoin they know. They don't know of any other cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well known. We have others like Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, Ripple, Ada, and so on. Now let us go back to my file. All right. So in 2009, a group of people anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto, till date, we don't know if it's a single person or a group of people. They created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today. Bitcoin in 2009 was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies. And as the days are going by, it keeps increasing. And its popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. Now, some quick facts about cryptocurrency. It's a global digital currency. If we say something is global, you know the word global. Most of us have learned geography, right? You know globe. If you say something, this is the globe. You know it, right? Now, crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide. What does this mean? It simply means if I am in Germany and you are in Africa, Ghana to be precise, and I want to send you some cryptocurrencies, it's the same value. If I send you 100 USDT, that 100 USDT is the same in Ghana, 100 USDT. The industry will not say, okay, because you are in Germany, you are sending to someone in Africa, the value must change. No, it's the same 100 USDT value. Now, blockchain technology, it runs on blockchain and is secured by cryptography. That makes it hack proof. And it has the fastest transaction mode. Fastest transaction mode. Do you understand that? Let me break it down for those who don't know more about crypto. If I send money to someone who is also having a crypto wallet, let's assume someone is using Kraken and I'm using Binance. If I want to send the person money, I have to take the same network. Okay, let's say for instance, I'm sending the person USDT, Theta USD. I need the person's wallet address. So the person might send me TRC20, the Tron network. Once they send me and I send them in a minute, Tron network is the fastest network. In a minute, the money gets to the person. If it's the same exchange, in fact, once you just click on the send button, you give in your pass keys, bah, it's gone. It comes fast. Okay. Decentralized finance. Now, cryptocurrency transactions are peer to peer and are not controlled by any central authority or bank. What do I mean by that? If we say cryptocurrency transactions are peer to peer, they are not controlled by the central authority or bank, meaning bank cannot come and dictate to do this, do that. No, it's not controlled. That is why we call it money for the people, money created by the people. Now, let us look at the growth of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. This makes crypto the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. You know, there are so many different types of investment, right? I believe you all know we have so many investments. Now we have Amazon. There are some people that have shares in Amazon. We have Tesla. We have Apple. We have Bitcoin. We have S&P 500. We have Google. We have Microsoft. We have gold. Now look at them in percentage wise. This is 1,052%. This is 12,039%, 736%, S&P 277%, Google 703%, Microsoft 1,021, gold 9%. But look at crypto. Look at Bitcoin. Just look at it. 569,772%. What are you talking about? This is the best performing asset during the last decade, and it's still holding its position. Now, someone will be like, now that you've told me what cryptocurrencies are, how would I earn? Me, there, I just need action, action. What would I do to start earning in crypto? There are so many ways you can earn through cryptocurrencies. We have investing and holding. Now, this simply means you buy and hold crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the future. So you buy an asset, then you wait maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then you decide to sell it, then you earn. Imagine when Bitcoin was launched, it was some cents. It wasn't up to $1. Today, as I'm talking to you now, let's check the price of Bitcoin. It's around 90 something thousand. Where is Bitcoin? Let's go. Yeah, 94,000. This is the price of Bitcoin. It keeps changing. So ask yourself, in 2009, this cryptocurrency came out and Bitcoin was the first. It was less than $1. One quantity, one Bitcoin, one BTC was less than $1. Today, look at one BTC, 94,594. They all started from zero, these prices, before you are seeing them here. So, guys, this one even give you the whole picture. That, hey, if a coin that was launched in 2009 was less than $1, and today that same quantity is being sold at 94,000, then indeed, it's the best performing asset. Okay. Now, aside investing, we have mining. Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. Staking, that is another way to earn in cryptocurrency. Staking. Staking, what does it mean? Staking is when you lock crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. I hope that is clear. I hope that is really clear. Are you guys getting it? Type 1 in the chat if you are still following. Type 1 in the chat if you are still following. Type 1 in the chat. I can see. If you are following, just type 1 in the chat. Great. Lion Terry Tete. Hey, I love your name. Good, 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 good. It means you guys are active here. That is great. Let's ride on. Let's ride on. Now, the popular way to earn in cryptocurrency is by trading. What do we mean by trading? Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto market to make the best of price fluctuations. One can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. Now, if we say volatility, how do you understand it? The up and down movement. Okay, you can see the candles on my screen. You buy the assets here, it rises up to here, you take profit, or you wait and take profit here. You enter again at a different position. It rises again, you take profit, then you are out of the market. So this is what we call the volatility, up and down. Okay, some people enter into crypto, they are like, why won't the coin just be going up, 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 up? I ask myself, if it goes up and it doesn't go down, how will we make money? Because it has to drop. The price must come down for some of us to buy at the bottom before it starts to rise again, later drop again. So that is the movement we have in crypto trading. Okay, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Now, would you want to learn how to trade, or would you love to enter into trading? I believe the answer is yes. Now there are requirements. In this life, everything that you do, you need some requirements. Okay? If you want to apply for a job, you need to be qualified for it. You must have some skills. You must have some knowledge, some certificate to back it up. Do you understand? So, with crypto trading, if you want to learn how to trade in crypto, you need knowledge. You must get the knowledge. Now, cryptocurrencies are being taught in schools. If you don't know, go and do your due diligence. They have online courses you can take. If you want to take one, I'll recommend Allison for you. You can take crypto classes, they're free of charge. Their certificates are valid worldwide, are recognizable as well. You need time, you need patience. Without these requirements, these are the three most essential requirements before you can start any crypto business. Someone is there asking, is she trying to say I now have to go and learn how to trade? I have to go and learn it. Hey, but me that I'm 75 years, me that I'm 66, me that I'm in my late 40s, hey, will I have that brain to learn again? When did I completed school? I don't think this business is for me. You don't have to worry. I have the ultimate solution for you. And what is the ultimate solution? I present to you Royal Quantitative Artificial Intelligence Robot. RoyalQ is a super intelligent automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. Let me underline the word crypto exchanges. That brings us to the next question. What is crypto exchange? So, crypto exchange is a platform where one can buy crypto, one can sell crypto, one can trade in crypto, one can convert from fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat, one can deposit, one can receive, one can withdraw. So, one exchange, you do so many things on it. Let's look at some few exchanges that we have on CoinMarketCap. So, we've moved from coins to exchanges. You can see Binance here. We have Bybit, we have Coinbase, we have Upbit, we have OKS, we have BitGet, we have Mexi, Gate.io, KuCoin, Crypto.com exchange. All these are exchanges. Can you see it? Those who have been watching football, sometimes you see these exchanges are their sponsors. Binance have sponsored before, BitGet, Crypto.com. You are watching the board, then you see the adverts. You are wondering what's all this. If you are curious, you would have done research on that by that time to know what they are. They are crypto exchanges. So those of you who said crypto is a scam, crypto is a scam, crypto is a scam, can the scam sponsor a whole Champions League? Can a scam sponsor a whole world football? Eh? What are you saying? Oh my God. Lack of knowledge. My people perish. Don't be like those people, oh. I beg you. Don't be like those people. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let religion deceive you. Okay, let's ride on. I don't want to be spiritual this evening. Let's continue. So, yeah, now just think of it as if hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. While you can just take vacation with your family. While you can just be sleeping. and the robot is working for you. Instead of going to pay someone who say, oh, this company there, they say they have professionals that are trading for us. We just have to click the button. Then everything is just working. Yeah, they said they are experts. They are brokers. They are perfect. They don't make mistakes. They always give profits. Please, please, do not let anybody deceive you when you know the truth now. Now, let's look at some quick features of RoyalQ. What makes RoyalQ the best and different from the rest? Security. I know everybody here will be so interested in security. Your own house that you live in. If it's not secured, you not feel safe in it, right? So security, that is number one measure. Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet, in your control, on which RoyalQ doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer your funds. Let me repeat that again. Your capital. What do we mean by your capital? Your trading capital and your trading profit that you will be getting in future remains in your exchange. You remember I explained crypto exchange? Those who are taking notes. It remains in your control, meaning RoyalQ cannot touch your capital. They cannot touch your profit. Today, one of my team members in Germany, I just helped her. We withdrew her profit. And less than the money hits her bank account. He said, what? What sort of business is this? I can't believe it. I said, yes, this is real. Has someone taken your money? She said, no. Is your money not in your bank? Okay. Trading profits. She withdrew it from her Binance to her bank. Easy peasy. 2, super intelligent. If you say something is intelligent, don't joke with robots. So RoyalQ robots executes quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, AI. AI, real-time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms. That is, continuous income is generated. 3, the robot works 24/7. RoyalQ robots trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week, 365 days in a year without taking a leave. RoyalQ will not say, I'm tired. Why? I'll be working. Why? Won't I die? No, RoyalQ doesn't take leave. No holidays. No weekends. No special days. It's working 24/7. Why? Because cryptocurrency and the crypto industry, the market is open 24/7. Unlike the banks that are closed on weekends, they are closed on holidays. The stock exchanges, they are not open on holidays. Weekends, no, no, no. But with the crypto market, every day is payday. Every day the market is opened. So therefore, the RoyalQ robots too works 24/7, real-time monitoring, so you can make money even while you sleep on automatic mode. Imagine, yours is to just get the capital, set up the robot. The rest, leave it for the robot. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, sell. You cry the notification, you start dancing with the notifications in your bed. Leader is great to say, anytime I sleep, I just love that sound, my leader. Pagam, 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 pagam. What is working like that? Now the robot, oh, is just doing pagam, 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 buying, selling, buying, selling. 4, no loss, only profit. Let me repeat it again. No losses, only profit. With RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is programmed only to trade in profit. It never sells a loss. Since 2021, June 19th, I started using this robot. It has never, on no occasion, has the robot sold at a loss and they will say there is a glitch somewhere. Never. My 4 years of trading, I've never experienced this. 5, maximum return on investment. It's not those ones into in inverted commas that you know of. No. Although profit depends on your trading capital and market conditions, still you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit, and in long term 100 to 500 annual return on investment. When you say this, sometimes people think it's not true, it's a lie. Today, one of my team members, we went to Zoom together, and I said, my dear, the percentage you are making is good. Don't look at it in the profit, because your capital is not appreciative enough for you to see it in your profit. You trade, you make a profit of 1%, 1.06. In total, you have made 3.06%. Tell me, is that not more than what the banks promised us? It is more. So what's your problem? Your problem is to get more trading capital. Simple as that. If your first buying amount is 5, it's 10, and you get 1% of $10, 1% of $5 anytime the robot sell, you might not appreciate it. But have a capital of 100, first buying amount 100 or 50 or 80. Even if there are only 2 buys in a day and it sells for you, you will be appreciative. So guys, banks cannot give you this return on investment. I'm telling you, that is the truth. Today, one of my team members in UK was saying, then Germany is even better than UK. UK, they're 2%. You not get more than 2%. So imagine your money seated in the bank the whole year, you earn 2% of it. When in crypto, you can earn more than this. 6, affiliate income. RoyalQ also comes with an exciting affiliate program, into bracket, completely optional. It simply means it is not by force. If you come, you don't want to share the opportunity, no problem. You make money from your trading. That is okay. But if you want to share its benefits with your friends, with your families, with your exes, with your enemies, with your loved ones, with your in-laws, with your wives, with your husbands, with your, in fact, fiancés, everybody, you earn wonderful, amazing, mind-blowing commissions on their profits too. Now, how do you get started? How do you get started? Because I know I've gingered someone. The person is like, oh, stop this long talk. Let's go. You know, when it is delaying, then the thing is getting cold. Let's go fast. Just give it more gas. Just step on it. Let's go. Let's go. How to start? You need 2 major applications. 1, the RoyalQ app. 2, Binance. Don't rush, don't rush, don't rush to Play Store and go and download anything. Relax, relax. You need a referral link from someone who is already in the business, both the exchange and the RoyalQ. If the person is already having the exchange, that is okay. Get them the referral link of RoyalQ. Let them register through the official website. Once they are successfully registered, they are redirected to another page where they tap on the download button. It sends them to their Play Store or their their Apple Store or their Android store to download the application. The reason why you don't just jump on the stores to go and download this, there are counterfeits. They are fakes. There are duplicates of RoyalQ, especially on Android and Google Play Store. So if you know, I know. Okay. You just go and make mistake and download the fake one and deposit activation fee on it. That's when you know that something is in this world, okay? So follow the right channels to get on board. Now, let's look at some quick features of the Binance Exchange, because Someone will be like, how sure are you that the money on my balance cry is safe? You know, these doubting Thomases. They're like, are you sure? I know them. Binance is the world's largest crypto marketplace. It's the world's first ranked crypto exchange. As you can see on my coin market cap, where is Binance? Number one. They are ranks. The exchanges, these are all exchanges. They are ranks. Oh my God. You cannot compare Binance to which one? Luno. Look at their 24-hour volume, $11.54 million. Compare it to Binance. Oh, yeah. 11.34 billion. Billion. Hey, let us continue. Don't make me laugh plenty. Sometimes Binance volume can be more than 76 billion. You wait, the bull run is coming. I'll screenshot and show you. It's known to be the leading crypto exchange in the world ever since Binance was launched in 2017. Oh my God. Nobody has outranked them. It has highly secure facilities. It has up to 5 levels of security keys. Hey, hey, this system, forget it. Oh. Even though the founder of it was arrested recently, it doesn't stop the exchange from running. Who are you? What are you talking about? It was still running. Money was still coming into the system because he created a system that people believe in it and it's working. In fact, your own money for you to withdraw, sometimes some people get angry. And which can is go and bring code from here, go and do this, go and do that. Yes, it's for your own security. When people complain, I'm like, madam, now for your own good, though, no be anything. So that if someone gets your credentials, they cannot withdraw money anyhow. So just shut up and enjoy the security. With Binance, there is next of kin. Once you provide death certificate, everything, they'll just give it to you. Only you can withdraw or transfer. If I give my Binance credentials to all of you here on the Zoom, no one can enter into my account. Why? Because it's protected by Google Authenticator. It's protected by passkey, my facial ID. So without my face, you cannot enter into my Binance. You need email. You need codes. Do you understand? So this one alone gives you the mindset that, then this place, the security is too tight. Oh, my own money, nobody can withdraw it unless you yourself, you go and fuck up. Are you getting it? Now, a brief recap of RoyalQ. If you are late, you would love to enjoy this part. What is RoyalQ? It's an AI robotic trading platform. Trading on Binance, Hobby, Indodax, Kraken, HTS, Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io. 9 different exchanges. Now, if you go to Coin Market Cap, you see that these exchanges that I've mentioned, they all fall within top ranks. RoyalQ has over 2 million users worldwide. Over 2 million, if I'm not mistaken. And the application is available in over 200 countries. We have made a profit of more than 182 million USDT total profit. It's not a joke. When we started, we were not on that level. But today, if 182 million has been made, that is a living proof. RoyalQ is part of the top 7 financial app on iOS. You know, iOS, they're no nonsense place, so nobody can just stand up and say they are launching an app there. Never, never. Google Play. RoyalQ is the first quantitative AI trading application ever. Let's look at one quick feature of the RoyalQ app. We have API binding. What does API stands for? application programming interface. What does it do? It helps you connect your RoyalQ robot to your exchange, because without this connectivity, there won't be any communication. The robot won't be able to buy and sell, buy and sell. From the beginning, I made mention that your trading capital is not going to be on the RoyalQ robot. So, this is your RoyalQ. This is your Binance. Your Binance exchange acts like your bank. And the RoyalQ, it's like your Google Pay or your Apple Pay. So this what binds them together, so they are able to communicate. That when you purchase something and pay with your Google Pay will quickly go to your bank and take the money. It's called the API. This is what binds them together. Now, someone will be wondering, are you sure if I bind my RoyalQ to the exchange, it won't blow my money in my account? No, please. It's only read, balance, and buy and sell. Now, RoyalQ activation. There are two types of fees in RoyalQ. One, annual subscription fee, which is 120 USDT. Take it as if you are paying $10 every month, 12 months, 120. But you are not paying it every 10. You are not paying it 1 month, 1 month. You are paying it all at once. Now, out of this 120, RoyalQ distributes 80 back to its users who promotes the application. Then, fuel fees, 20% of what? Profit. Of every trading profit RoyalQ makes for you, it deducts 20% as fuel fees. Isn't that fair? It's too fair. This fees is charged only when you make a profit, not on your capital. Now, RoyalQ distributes 70% of the fuel fees back to its users who promotes the app. So someone will be here. You know, all those book long people, all those that, these professors, this PhD. I'll be like, what's she saying? How can 20% then the company will distribute 70? Where is the mass? Is the mass not Martin? My brothers and sisters, this 20% fuel fee is then converted to 100. Then RoyalQ keeps 30 and distributes 70 back to its users who promotes the app. Is that making sense now? I believe so. Let us ride on. RoyalQ compensation plan. So there are 4 ways of earning in RoyalQ. 1, self-trading profit. That is you doing your own, the robot doing the trading for you in your exchange. That is one of the income. 2, affiliate program. That is you sharing the opportunity. And that part is broken into multiple parts again. We have the activation gain, which is broken into 3. We have activation gain, activate peer income, and activate global dividends. Then we move to 2, direct quantification. People that are directly trading under you. You earn direct quantification. Anytime they are making profit, you are also earning something. Then 3, team quantification. Now, team quantification is also broken into 3. We have team quantification. Those are people that you are qualified to earn from in your team. Then we have the peer income. So the peer income, if you have someone on the same rank as you, anytime their team members are earning, you are also earning. Then we have the team global dividends. That is for the last rank earners. And this evening, we are blessed to have a V6 in our mess. The third way to earn from RoyalQ is becoming a copy trader. Who is a copy trader? A copy trader is someone who gives out their trade settings to the community. So once you decide to join them and copy their trade settings, you have to pay strategy fee. That is how they also earn income. 4, mentorship. When you join this business and you don't have an upline, or you don't know your upline, or your upline is not available to assist you, you can go in for a mentor. Now, you don't have to pay the mentor anything, but the system pays the mentor. Why? Because your upline that is supposed to help you is not. So whatever benefit your upline must get from you is being shared into 2. Mentor gets half, your upline to get half. I feel that is a fair idea. Now, the self-trading profit, I've explained it. It's a non-working income as you don't have to trade manually. The RoyalQ trades for you 24/7 in your exchange automatically. Averagely 10 to 30% monthly returns. Annually 100 to 300, 100 to 500. The income depends on your capital and market conditions. Do not forget that. To earn better returns, provide sufficient funds in your exchange and let the boat trade for you 1 to 2 years. Activation bonus. When you refer someone and they activate, not only just registering, once they activate, you earn between 30 to 70, depending on your rank. Team trading profits. So RoyalQ also rewards you a share in the trading profits of your direct and indirect team members. So this is a table that shows you everything in summary, depending on the rank you are and the earnings you make. This is so beautiful and awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is a potential income. This is an estimate of daily potential income of how much you can earn at the rank depending on the rank that you are on. Okay, it's a potential income. Now, let me break down the global dividend. So, global dividend is a share in the company's global turnover. This income is reserved exclusively for V6 rank holders who, along with all other incomes, receive a share in the company's global income. We have the activation global dividends. I mentioned it earlier. $10 from all the global activations is accumulated and shared among all V6 daily. Trading global dividends, 2% from every trading profit earned globally is taken from the fuel fees and shared among all V6. Do you got it? If you don't got it, then forget about it. Okay. So this is just a projection of the power of duplication. So those who are interested in the slide can have it after the presentation. Now, I'm going to end my presentation on one of my favorite quotes by Warren Buffett. He says, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. It's not a case, it's reality. Thank you. Now, at this juncture, at this moment, at this, the English class is not English. It's like all my English has finished. At this moment, allow me, permit me, like, in fact, lay down your clothes. Just give chance to this amazing, hardworking, consistent, persistent, excellent. In fact, I don't know, the adjectives, they are finished. The adjectives are finished in my mind. Let me just tell you something brief about this gentleman before he comes on board. So, leader Julius Kabanda is from Uganda. I haven't met him anywhere physically. We just met on one scammed platform and I went for him for help. This man, since 19th of June, I went to him. My life has never been the same again. The life of my team members, the life of everybody around me has been changed. He is, the guy is too much. He's too much. Don't forget, he has a medical background, but he left it.
Kudo, kudo,
Said,
kudo, kudo, kudo.
I'm going in all full. I'm going in with my body, my soul, my mind, my heart, my everything. In fact, I couldn't ask of any other upline. This is the man that during the bearish, all the V6, they left. They left to other platforms because they're like, oh, BTC is crashing. We are not making money. But this man, he gathered everybody. You see how the Noah story is? When Noah started building the ark, people are you crazy? Are you mad? What's happening to this man? How can you be building this? But when the flood came, ah, they now saw the moon. They now understood the whole picture. This is a man that he didn't let the ship, the Titanic ship, the crypto ambassador ship, he didn't, what's the word? Is it sunk or sink or sinking, or you call it any word? English is not my native language. He didn't allow it. He held on to it. He said, guys, come on, we can do it. Ah, thank you. I welcome leader Julius Kabanda, the first VCs in Uganda, the second male VCs in Africa. Over to you, my upline. I salute you. Thank you. The microphone is yours. The screen is yours. Everything you want to do, take it, my leader. Thank you. Guys, give a round of applause. Clap, 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 wherever you are. Clap. Good, 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 good. Good, good. Continue. Be clapping until he takes the microphone. Be clapping, be dancing. Type one, one, one. Be clapping. Thank you so much, my upline, my motivator. In fact, my everything, my inspiration. My mentor. I salute you, my VCs.
Ah.
Thank you. Leader Julius Kabanda. You are welcome. The audience is yours. Please take over everything.
Ah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Can we give some love heart, some thumbs up to Leader Doris Angel for the amazing, amazing sharing we have had from her this fantastic evening. Okay. Wow, what a sharing tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it's really a palm pleasing pleasure as well as a privilege to be speaking to you tonight. There is total darkness here in my area because of electricity issues, but generally, it is a privilege for us to be here. And I want to share with you my story of this business. And I believe I may not be able to switch on my camera. I have just left my gym just a few minutes because Leader Doris gave me a quick invitation to make sure that I come here to share with you what RoyalQ has been able to do in my life, and I will run through my story. Is my screen visible, Leader Doris? I just want to confirm from you whether
Yes,
my
it was visible, but now I think you stopped sharing. So maybe you could share again. Thank you.
are we good to go now?
Not visible, not yet.
Sure.
Not yet. Okay. Once I see it, I'll let you.
So let me come back again. Uh, screen. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Everything is perfect. All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Are we good to go now?
Oh no, it stopped
Can you see
again.
the screen, Dida Doris?
No, it stopped again.
This
It
is
stopped
crazy.
again. Yeah. I don't know if it's your network or it stopped again.
I think,
Yeah, it is good now. Thank you.
but it will still stop. I need to find a way. Is it still visible?
No, it stopped. Oh, screen. Don't do that to us. Screen. Screen, be careful.
Find a way. So you cannot be able to see it. up to
No,
now?
now we can see it. No, we can
You
see
can't
it.
see it. Eh?
No, we can see it.
This is not good. Okay, let me find a way.
Okay. Don't
Just
leave,
give me
don't
one
leave, don't
minute.
leave. Don't worry, my leader. Take all the minutes. Relax, relax. Today, that is why I did my presentation. Shabo, shabo. Do you get it? Relax, relax. Go and take some chill water or chill juice as our leader gets ready. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, who is that unmuted?
Yeah.
Please, please, I'm unmuting everybody. It's not time to talk yet. Please relax, okay? Just relax. When you join, don't unmute. Wait, we'll open time for questions and answers, okay? Just relax. Chillax, chillax. Get something, chill, and relax. Whilst leader Julius gets his screen back and running, okay? Don't worry. It's just some small glitch, but he will be back. Okay? As we are waiting, just be typing something in the chat. You have to be active, okay? Just be typing something, be dancing, be giving us some love. You understand? Don't just be there and just be watching the screen, what's happening. Just relax, okay? He will get everything done. Shabu, 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 shabu. Everything will be perfect. Okay? Just chillax. Chillax, chillax, chillax. Don't worry. Everything will be perfect. This man, oh my God, let me continue with the story as he comes back because the story, is too long. Hey, the story is long and he's so excited. If I tell you how much this man started with, your brain go bust. Your
Leader
brain.
Doris, can you see
Yes,
my
please, my
screen
leader.
now?
Oh, no, no, no. It
Okay.
stopped again. Yeah. Is it
Sure.
recording? If it's recording, it will not be able to share from your end if you are recording it. I don't know.
No, I'm not recording anything.
Oh, okay. Then I don't know why it's not. It's the iPhone, right? It's the
Yeah.
iPhone that you are sharing on, right? There may be some screen, some app is trying to interfere with it. But don't
Yeah,
worry,
sure.
just take it easy. We are here for you. Now it's sharing. I hope it doesn't stop. Yes. Hey, it stopped again. Hey, this one, I think these our people. These are village people. If we want to say that, they say don't be spiritual. It's behaving like your phone. Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Just let me get
okay, and
off.
rejoin again. No problem. Don't
Activate
worry.
camera.
We'll be waiting, my leader. Don't worry. Just take it cool. So yeah, as we are waiting. This man's story here, I think some of the leaders they know from the beginning. They'll not say I'm exaggerating. This girl, she has mouth for everything. You know how she can make the thing. She'll put pepper inside, salt. She'll make it very tasty. You know how she put sugar inside every flavor you want. She'll just give it to you, guys. This man, he's such a humble man too. If I tell you how much he started with, you will say, how is that possible now? It's possible, oh. This man started with, I don't know, maybe if I say it, the story will not be sweet again. I want you to hear it from the horse's own mouth. Are you let me say it, the way my mouth is itching me, I'll just say it and be free. You understand? Yes, because sometimes the thing will just be scratching you, to be itching you. You feel like letting it out. You understand? So yes, this man started with $85. In fact, he has been scammed before, oh, like all of us. He's been scammed. Oh, one company gave him some plenty money. The money you can't even pronounce it. It's more than trillion. Where are the mathematicians? After trillion, what do we have? After that one, what else do we have? The figures were so long. In fact, the figures, it was as if it was infinity. It was unpronounceable. Hey, thank you. Thank you. We are in. We are in. Don't stop. Don't stop screen.
I don't know. There are a
Tyson.
lot of messages. Can you see my screen now?
It's left. It's left. We saw it when you were switching through the windows. Then it stopped again. The devil is a liar. This thing
Dory, can
must
you make
work
him a
today.
co-host? Doris, can you make him a co-host?
Yeah, he's a co-host. Can you see? He's a co-host.
All right.
Or leader Julius. In fact, I passed the host to you.
All right, so
Maybe.
let me find another way. Let me ignore the screen. I'll just share my app. I think
Oh.
let me ignore the screen. Is it okay? Because guys,
Oh.
we might sleep here. I don't know why it's not
Oh.
working out.
Oh, someone was
Let
suggesting
me
you
leave
leave
the
the Zoom and join again. Yeah. Maybe that one will be better. Hey, because this screen there, some of us really want to see it. Oh, hey. Okay, my leader,
so
please feel free, leave and rejoin again.
so
I've
take the
made you
host
host though,
powers.
but you can leave and join again. Yeah, I've made you host now.
Take the host powers again.
Okay, before you leave. Okay, let me take it back. Let me claim it back. Okay, thank you. So, guys, this man here, he started with 85 USDT. In fact, he wasn't even having 15 to top up to make it 100. By then, our robot was $100. This man had to go and borrow $15. Hey, this life and poverty here is a bastard. Poverty is so stupid. If you see poverty here, in fact, if you have a gun, blow his brains away. Poverty. I don't want to hear that name, P. He started 85, borrowed 15, add to it, making 100. Then he activated his robot. Where is capital? This person couldn't even get money for the robot to purchase it $100. Talk less of capital. Which kind of capital are you talking of? Ah, at least you guys were fortunate now. Some of you started with $30, $50, 250,000. His own, there was no capital. But this man didn't let that thing of a capital stop him. He still went ahead to borrow. If I tell you how he suffered to get to his upline, hey, you will know that poverty is indeed bastard. He got this money. He activated on the 12th of June. Then he started sharing. 19th of June, then he met me. Okay, he's back again. I hope. Let me make you co-host, my leader. Okay. Oh, who is sharing? Oh, it's working now. It's working. Hey. Oh,
Now it has stopped.
yeah. Or you share the Android. This one thought it was, I thought this one was going to work. You know, my leader is on the other Zoom too with his other device. You know, this man, he can be at multiple places at the same time. Just pardon him. But let me continue with the story as he still figure out how to share for us. If it doesn't work, we'll reschedule another time for the screen. He will just share his story. But let's give him the chance to retry again. So as I was saying, he didn't let that stop him. You know, he got me. We were moving slowly. Hey, before I should say Jack, the money this man started making here, you'll be like, is this the person that started with 85? No, I don't think that's the person. That's impossible. He got his trading capital from sharing of the opportunity. He had no results to show that, hey, this is my trading results. You see how much I'm making? Come because I'm making this. If I show you my results and that ginger you to come on board, is it my capital, your capital? Answer me. Is my capital your capital? No, now. My capital will always be my capital. I was in before you came. We cannot compare profits. It's possible you can even come and overtake me in profit. But my dear, all fingers are not equal. You understand? So my leader, yeah, started like that, and we were moving. This man, oh, I don't want to talk plenty. He will talk for himself. It will be like I'm talking too much. You know, I talk a lot. Okay, leader Julius, please, you have the host powers, the co-host powers. If it's okay, if you are not ready, I can continue. He's an inspiration to many. Okay, this business has changed his life. You now you will see it. When we started at first, he was doing the Zoom. He had to bring his some alacha laptop. You say if you say alacha, alacha means something that you know is kind of colloquial. You know it's not latest and things. He would turn buckets upside down and put it on it and do Zoom on it. He didn't say, "Oh, I don't have an office. I need an office before I can start doing RoyalQ full time. I really need office. Put AC inside. You know, I need this." He started with the little that he had. In fact, if you see the room he was living before doing the Zoom, you'll be like, what's happening? The whole room, everything was confused in the room. You know that, yes, it's not self-contained, but self-confusion room. But he didn't let that his situation at that moment, he didn't let that deter him or that stopped him that, "Hey, girl, why will I force myself?" No, he continued pushing. He was pushing. He was pushing. Now he's on the last rank, and I'm so proud of him. I couldn't ask for any other
All right,
upline. Ah, over to
Leader
you.
Doris, are we
Yes,
good to
sir.
go now?
We are good to go, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm keeping quiet now. Over to you. The floor is
All
yours.
right.
Everybody is for you, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Leader Doris, for this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry my camera is off because I just left my gym to come here and can make sure that I share with you what this business has to offer. My name is Julius Kabanda. I basically come from Uganda. And this picture, I like this picture. It's not mine, but it defines where life begins. Big question. What do you see? I usually tell my friends that it is important for you to go in the mirror and look at yourself because God is great. This picture really defines where I come from. It really brings out where I originate from. It really talks about who I am. And by seeing this picture, it really defines the real gist of the business. Ladies and gentlemen, this is me and my mother. I love this picture because sometimes on our way as we pursue our goals, our dreams, our ambitions, we lose hope, we lose focus. But things only get clear, things get better when you define your why. What's your why? Why are you doing what you are doing? I was doing whatever I was doing because of my family, because of my loved one. I dedicated my success to my mother. I dedicated my prosperity to my mother, and my mother was everything. And whenever I felt like not continuing, I remembered that one of the reasons why I left home is to make home better. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how my journey started. My journey started when I was invited to look at RoyalQ. I moved from Masaka. I went to Kampala. I was taken through the business. By the way, me, I didn't go because I was interested in the business. No, I went because the guy who had invited me had promised me to give me $30. And by then it was COVID-19 time, and the president of Uganda was about to close the country, no more movement. So I went to just chew the money, then that's all. I was taken through the business that my capital remains in my personal account. And I was touched. I was like, my brothers, I'm in. I got started to keep the story short and came back home and I started sharing the business. I was smiling, but ladies and gentlemen, life was a total mess. I was smiling, happy, but life was a total mess. Life was a total mess. I was living a confused lifestyle. I was living a life I was not understanding. But you know what? I was excited about the future, ladies and gentlemen. I was excited about the future. So what I did, I decided to write down things I hate. Number one, I hated walking by foot. Number two, I hated the life my mother lived. Number three, not able to support my family. Number four, I hated paying rent and not having my house. But most importantly, getting to 30 when I'm not financially free. So when I attended the classes of RoyalQ like we were doing, this changed my thinking. And the question was, how much money can I earn with RoyalQ quantification? And RoyalQ was saying, take a principal of 100
Hello, my leader. Are you there, please? We lost you a bit. I don't know if someone called you. Hey, you guys
Are you
shouldn't make
sure?
calls. Yeah, he's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. Let's continue from the taker. Yeah.
I stopped where? On the video. All here.
No. Calm down. Calm down. Yes. The next one after this slide. Yes, this place. This is where you were. Thank you. Please ride on.
Right. So basically, something changed my thinking. That a person like me, I can get my life better. I was like imagining, oh, I could make 10%, 50% of my capital. I would make 0.3 to 1.67. I didn't have the money, but it helped me paint a crystal clear picture of where I am and where I'm going. You see, life gets better when you know where you are and where you are going. So although things were tough, although life was not easy, I was sure to where I was going. Ladies and gentlemen, I made my first achievement. And when I was presented RoyalQ, I only had $85 in my Binance account. I sent it to RoyalQ. I never even had the full activation fee. I was staying in this house without a very good, nice table to run my business. So I made my first money in the business, ladies and gentlemen, and I bought this table. It was one of my biggest achievements. Even up to now, when we got into, if I would take you to my beautiful house here, I love this table. I like it, and I don't allow anyone destroy my table. It was my first business achievement. It's in life sometimes we compare ourselves to others. When people talk about cars, people talk about phones, people talk about big achievements of houses. But me, this was the gist of everything. It was like if I've been able to move away from this confused lifestyle, not able to find, be able to eat well. Now I can take a juice. Now I have a table. Wow, I'm in. Ladies and gentlemen, the business continued. I bought my first car. Just lights are off, but where I've parked in this small garage, I have my first car and my second car. And I had to move everywhere. My friend, I was like a night dancer, put leaves everywhere. And people were wondering, why is this guy putting leaves? My friend, it was the first car in my family, the first car in my clan, the first car in the village. So everybody had to know how this car was super important to me. Why? Because I had a list of things I was hating. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, I was now officially, I had left foot. Officially, now I was able to support my family. Officially, now, ladies and gentlemen, I was into, now, ladies and gentlemen, this is my second ride. I like it so much. And life has got better. We have been able to build, for example, we have been able to build a very nice looking house for my mother. It has the Bitcoin log, it has the RoyalQ log, this house for my mother, well finished house. And the reason why this house was very key is because when we got started in the business, we are living a confused lifestyle. But now, look, ladies and gentlemen, built a very nice house for my mother. And now my mother was doing bigger, better, bolder because of the business. And this is when we are working on the project. And I was super, super duper excited to hand over this amazing gift to my mother because before life was tough. Before, life was hard, but now I was now able. It's now a finished project. This is when they were still working, and I was proud of myself that I've been finally able to build for my mother an amazing, amazing, amazing house. All right, okay, beautiful, fantastic. Now this is our project here where we stay, me and my children. And ladies and gentlemen, I have no more words. But let me take you to my accounts. Now, although businesses could look crazy, hi baby, what's up? You want me? Okay, I'm coming, baby girl. Okay, right. All right, so this is my account, and I'll take you through the main two parts of the business. Like I said, that the business gives us two major ways of making money. Number one, you can trade. Okay. You can buy crypto assets when prices are low and sell them when they are high. Okay. So I'll tap you on profit details. And I just want to paint a picture. As you, I love it. So when you let us take from 23rd as an example, this is trading. The amount of profit you make will depend on your capital and the market. So on 23rd, let me say I made $199. On 24th, I made $3. Meaning that if I had made $199 and then I made $3 the next day, I would complain. And why is it on the 24th I made only $3? But can you imagine? On the 25th, I made $740. This is profit. It is capital. It is basically capital and market. Nothing to do with I brought someone. It is profit. So I made 740. Now on 26th, I made 67. So maybe I would complain. Maybe on 26th, I would complain. But look, I had made $740. Then on 27th, I made 812. I made 812. Sorry, my daughter is just trying to disturb a little bit. I made 812. I made $812. Stop it. Okay, coming. Just wait. I made $812. Now you see, on 30th, I made $30. On first, I made 7. Maybe I would complain that on 7th, I made very little money, but I'd made $812 on 27th. And that was a game changing opportunity. All right. Now let's go to team building. Now, this was basically from trading. But also we have the other side. Look, guys. From $85 from a struggling lifestyle to not less than $100 on a daily basis. And I have met businesses, but I've never met an opportunity that has a life-changing game like this one. Imagine, just from here, I have made not less than $328,896 just with my phone, just staying home, and it has been able to give me an amazing lifestyle. What I would believe is that I'm not special, I'm not unique. What a man can do, anybody across the world can do. Thank you so much, Ida Doris, and it's a privilege to have me here.
Chai, 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 chai. Did you see the math? Did you see it, guys? From what?
Oh my God.
85.
Oh my
From
God. Oh my
85
God.
to how much? To how much? I don't want to talk plenty. This is just one account, so I'm just whispering this in your ears. This is just one account. Did Julius have account for Bitcoin Brianna? That's her daughter's name. Leader Julius has account for the wife. In fact, the whole family, everybody has account. Everybody. Guys, Leader Julius, God bless you for your VC's presence. We are blessed. We are humbled to have you this evening. Thank you for your sharing. Even though I just called you out of the blues, impromptu. I just went to him like, oh no, then he's here. Oh God. Thank you. It's like my voice cries going. My voice is finished. Thank you, Leader Julius. This blessing you have bestowed upon us we'll carry it. We'll carry it. But I hope would invite you and another day again, another special invite. That one there, it will be properly arranged. So you guys, he will take his time and do. Today a lot of glitches and the devil wanted to spoil the thing, but no, these village people they will not win. We have to win them. So you see poverty, 85, 85. He wasn't having trading capital. Oh, he didn't let that stop him. So guys, you heard it from the horse's own mouth. By then the robot was being sold for 100. It wasn't 120. But he didn't let. So you are here. Please change your mind. Start the opportunity. Go to whoever shared the link with you. Tell them, hello, I'm ready to come on board. The little I have, I'm ready to push it. On our platform, you don't only get only trading. We give you education, quality one. In fact, people go and pay for trading classes. They pay for affiliate marketing. We give this free of charge. Monday to Sunday, our Zooms are busy back to back. Zoom on WhatsApp, Zoom, everywhere we are doing meeting. So you, I don't know, you the thing will be tired. You'll be like, hey, this place too much enjoyment, too much education. You understand? Thank you so much, my leader, Julius Kabanda. I appreciate your presence here. I really, really appreciate. May God bless you and give you more knowledge, more strength, good health to continue to lead this great army. Love you, my leader. So now, I'm back to you. Questions and answers. Yes. Right on. Raise up your hands. Just tap on reactions, raise hand. All the questions. I'm here for you. Bring it up. Bring it on. Bring it on. So I'm taking the first question. If you are shy, just type it in the chat. Okay. I'm going to quickly share my screen to show you how to raise hands. Because when you say raise hands, some people raise their hands in their homes where I cannot see. So on your Zoom, just tap on reactions, raise hand. Then I will see your hand. Oh, okay. Raymond Lagos has raised his. Oh, good. Good, 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 good. So I'm going to lower hands and I'm going to take questions. Okay. All right.
Let
So,
me ask you my question.
hey, relax, Raymond. You are too much in a hurry. Okay, relax. Now ask your question. Please ask your question. May I know where you are
Okay.
joining from?
Okay. Thank you, Dory. Dory, this is Raymond. I'm calling from South Sudan.
Oh, okay, great.
Um, indeed, I'm very happy with your presentation, which is very clear. Though some of the
Thank you.
things we can cope up in sometimes to come. I know it's not an easy. The .com world or the world for IA, we can cope up. I am sure is very key. Thank you so much for the presentations, and I appreciate. We continue moving forward to see that we are on the same board. I thank you, Julius, also for the brief highlights outlining you are being from zero to something else. And indeed, you have done wonders by presenting your details and how far
Hello, Raymond Lagos. It seems we can't hear you again, or is it me? Hello, Raymond. Hi, Raymond. I think we lost you. Hello. Hello, Raymond. Can you all hear me, please? Can you all hear my voice? I think we lost Raymond. Okay, network. Okay, so it's from Raymond, not from me. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, so I think we lost Raymond there. I hope he could come back, but let me take the next hand on the call. So we have Oscar's iPhone. Hi. Please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, my name is Oscar. I am joining this meeting from Germany.
Okay, great. Great to
Yeah,
have you.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you both for your wonderful presentation. And
Okay.
I must say, I am new to the game or to
Yeah.
this business,
Yes, I
and I
like
look
business.
forward and I look forward to making huge profits uh,
Amen. Oh.
as well. It's
Okay.
just a little bit unfortunate that uh, I have started, so thanks to Doris, to trade, and the profits are yet to trickle in. I have two questions. One is, aside the automatic trading that the robot is allowed to trade, or it trades on your behalf so that you can take a nap or do some other things with your time, can one do the trading by himself, by,
Picking up
just
the
like,
coin on your own.
yeah, just like it is done in the forex trading? And two, should it happen that you want to fold up, like, you want to close your account and everything,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
do you get your money back, including the money you used to buy the robot and the fuel fee, or those ones are non-refundable?
Okay, that is a great question. So your first question is if you can trade manually by, like, even
Mm-hmm,
though it's the help of the robot, but you
mm-hmm,
want to pick up your coin yourself and like you are scalping the trade. Yes, it's
mm-hmm,
possible. In our team, we give out trainings on how to use the trading indicators like MACD, RSI, KDJ, so the moving averages, all other indicators you can think of. We educate. Now, if you are not able to attend those meetings because it's very early in the morning, Germany time is 6:30. Maybe you are sending your kids to school or rushing to work, so you might not join. But great thing is we have a recorded version on the YouTube channel you can watch at your own comfort time, and you'll be able to pick up your own trades. Okay. I have a team member in the UK, and despite his busy schedules, he's able to pick up his own coin. He will just go to Coin Market Cap or Binance, check the coins that are doing well under the gainers, then he'll pick one, set it 5%, 2%, come out, pick another one. It's possible for you to do that with a robot. Okay. But you need to take some precautions, okay? Because not every coin you jump on to trade just because it's pumping. Because in the crypto world, we have coins that do not have any market dominance, and that affects you in future if you continue to be trading it. They can delist it, and it can also lose value. Now, your second question. Once you activate the RoyalQ robot, the 120 is gone. It's just like you renting a hall or an apartment that, oh, I want to open a shop or a salon. The rent that you have paid is gone. For the house owner or the landlord, they don't care whether you use it for the salon or not. You said you needed it for 1 year. Okay, you have paid the advance. That is all. That one is not refundable. Now, your fuel fees, that is 20% of every profit that you are being charged. The ones that you are charged already, it's unrefundable. But let's assume you had a fuel fee of 100 and you only use 50. It's left with 50 on your RoyalQ app. If you say, oh, I don't want to do the business again, you can withdraw out the rest of your fuel fee on the RoyalQ app plus your trading capital. Now, mind you, if your trade is not closed completely, if we say closed completely, meaning the robot has sold the coin, you don't have any positions open. If it hasn't sold off completely and you are on floating loss, you have to deduct the floating loss from the total investment. Okay. Let me quickly share my screen on this aspect to explain so you get the picture a bit clearer. Okay. So, hey, which one is abnormal? Okay. So let me share my screen for you to see. Then you understand this aspect. I like your question. So yes, this is the RoyalQ app. So if I say, I don't want to do the business again, I just woke up, I changed my mind. I don't want to do it again. Now, how much am I going to lose? Let me show you. So this is XRP. and it's in trade. This is the original amount that was invested, 609 USDT. Currently, the coin is down by negative 11.43%. It means when I go into my exchange, I'm going to see the same quantity here, but the value in USDT will not be 609. It will be 609 point blah 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 point the rest minus 69 point something. So when we do this calculation, 609 minus 69, forget about the cents, but even though it's part of the calculation, okay? So I must see 540 point something in my Binance. I'll no more see 609. Why? Because the coin has depreciated in value. So mind you, the robot is not supposed to trade at a loss. So it will not say, I'm in a hurry, let me sell this and lose 11%. It's nothing. The trader can take it like that. No. But if I am running out of patience or I change my mind that I don't want to do the business again, instead of me getting 609, I won't get 609 because the trade has not closed. So I will get 540 back. I hope that is clear. Now let us go to the fuel fees. Let's go to the fuel fees for you to see. It's under assets. So if I say I won't do the business again, the only money I can get from the RoyalQ app is the fuel fees. That one is withdrawable. There is one fake trading bot I know. That one, if you deposit the fuel fee and you say you won't do the business again, you can't take it out. Someone joined our team and she told us this. She had more than $1,000 here as fuel fee. She couldn't get it out. Her trading capital was gone. She couldn't get anything out. But with RoyalQ, you can withdraw. Now, if your robot expires and this fuel fee is there, RoyalQ will give you the chance to withdraw it. They'll not say, hey, your robot has expired, so you have to renew before you can withdraw. No. I have a team member who joined in 2021. Because of some one or two challenges, he left after a year. Now he wants to return back. Do you know his account is still working? Because he had some fuel fees of $16. It's still on his account till now. But if you withdraw everything and you leave after 90 days, they delete your details from the system. So yes, for
Can
Oscar,
I
yeah. I hope you
can I
get
quickly ask a follow-up question?
sure.
You just made mention of robot expiring. What does that mean?
Okay. So the robot that we activated is for a whole year. It's not for life. It's a
Mm-hmm.
1 year subscription. It's an annual fee you paid. So 120 is for the whole year. After a year, when you activate today, next year, this same date is when it will expire. If you
Mm.
wish to continue, you could renew with the same amount. If you don't wish to continue, it's okay. Nobody will force you. So that is how it is.
Whether you make profit from the trading or not.
That one is your own cup of tea. If you
Mm.
don't want to continue, it's not compulsory to renew, whether you make profit or not. Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
All right. So have I answered all your questions? Oh, he has put his
Yeah, yes,
hands
you
up.
have. Yes, you have.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
guys, don't worry. Oscar is my own person, my personal person from Germany. But it's his first time attending the prospect meeting. Okay, Oscar and their wife. The wife is called Letitia. They are both joining in from Germany. All right, we have Abdul Majid. Abdul Majid. Please unmute yourself and ask your question. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Where are you connecting from? Could you please tell the audience?
Yeah, good evening to you all. Uh, I'm connecting from Libya.
Oh, wow. Far away from us. Yeah. Great.
And
Nice to have you.
I'm also, but I'm a Ghanaian like you.
Ah, Madam Fo. What did you na?
It's a chichen okra.
And the gasam katanya obebu bekre gumiso. Okay.
Yeah,
Young
we have,
Konkwa. Okay. So please ask
we
your
have,
question because of international people. We'll limit it to English.
yeah. So there is one thing that I really want to ask you, the elders, what baffle my mind is we those who are not able to do their affiliates marketing, or how
Mhm.
do you call it?
Sharing of the opportunity.
So
That's a team building. Yeah.
one thing I want to ask, how do you guys do it? Like, do you have a secret to it, or you just wake up, you go to here and here, you get people? I don't understand, because we have those that we are telling them, but due to the fees and those things, they are not able to
Mm.
join. So it means if you don't have enough capital that will help you get a high profit, that is, you will be stuck in the market for long period before you get a huge amount trading capital. I mean, so the affiliate marketing is what I want to know. How do you guys do it? That is my main
Okay.
question, because I
Okay.
know
That is.
it's a great part
Mm.
of the work.
Okay. That is a great question. So, Abdul Majid, there's
Yeah.
no secret to sharing of the opportunity or getting people, but there are some rules and guidelines you need to follow. Once you are able to succeed in that, you can do any affiliate program. Okay. See, in
Okay.
this business, if you do not share the opportunity, it doesn't limit you from earning. I have a team member who only trades, and he has been using the boat for 3 years now. I've been using the boat for 4 years. And within these 3 years, he has made a profit of over $7,000. Some days are good, some days are bad. But in all, the profit he has made, he understands that his bank can never give him this profit within these days if he has his money at the bank. Do you understand? Now, the affiliate program, the reason why RoyalQ added it to the packages, not all fingers are equal. Not everybody can raise trading capital. As my upline came, he started with 85. I started with $100. But if I tell you how much I've made from the affiliate programming, you'll be marveled. So through the affiliate, that is the sharing of the opportunity, one is able to raise good income. Why? The reason why we focus so much over there is that is where you can control. If I don't talk to people about the opportunity, or I don't share it on my status, or when I meet my friends, I don't discuss it with them, nobody would be interested. Do you understand? But with the crypto
Yeah.
market, we do not have control over there, because one bad news can happen and the market will be crashing, the market will go down. But it doesn't mean the market will not rise up again. Never, it will rise up. Didn't we experience Corona, COVID? Didn't we
Yeah. Yeah.
experience
Yeah.
the Ukraine and Russia war? Are we not experiencing
Of
trade
course.
war now? US tariffs and everything. Can you see the market movement? So no matter what bad news that affects the whole world, the market definitely rises again. And if you read the story or you do a lot of research on cryptocurrency, you know that it is even going higher. Do you understand, my dear? So with
Yeah.
the sharing of the opportunity, that place, that is where you and I can control. But with the crypto market, we cannot control it. El Salvador, when BTC went down to 15K, they bought a lot. People were laughing at them. This president of this country, is he mad? Is everything okay with him? Why will you go and buy plenty Bitcoin like this when the price has crashed? Doesn't he know Bitcoin is dying? It won't wake up again. Someone should wake him up. When BTC got to 109,000, who was laughing at who? I'm sure the president was just shaking his bum on his ass and was just laughing at the whole world. Germany, my own country, let me use it as an example. It came to breaking news on CNN, BBC. Germany had a lot of Bitcoins. You know what happened? Is it June or May last this year? Last year, sorry, we are in 2025. Last year, when BTC started rising, they sold it at $55,000 because they were scared. Only for them to see BTC got into 100,000. They were like, you didn't quasi asem. And then I am
Yeah.
saying, what stupid thing have we committed? Why didn't we wait? It came in news. They were calculating their losses that they have made if they had waited. They said, if we had waited small, this is the profit we would have made. It was billions of euros. But the decision has already been made. The deed has already been done, or say, been do, or say, however you put it. A CAV,
Yeah.
it has happened. So in crypto trading, if you don't have patience, crypto is not for the weak. If you're a weak person, then I'm sorry, then this business does not belong to you. Elon Musk, you know him, right? The richest
Yeah.
man on planet
Of
Earth,
course.
as I'm talking to you now. During the bearish season, his company, Tesla, it was down. He was also on floating loss. But today, can you see what's happening? The
Hmm.
market always bounces back. In crypto, we say whatever goes down comes up, and whatever goes up to comes down. So, as a trader, you need to be prepared for both scenarios. When the market goes up, you take profit. When the market goes down, you pump in more money because that down rate has gone. It will definitely come up, my dear. Do you get it?
Yeah, of course.
Now, if you're an activated member and you happen to be in my team, private chat me. I'll give you tips on how to build. Now, building is not for the weak. Elon Musk is building. Do you know that? Do you know Elon Musk is
Yeah,
a team builder?
of
Do you know
course I
there's
know.
a founder of Binance, CZ? He's a builder. He keeps saying continue
Yeah.
building. Jeff Bezos, you know him, right? The
Yeah,
CEO of Amazon. He's
I
a
know him.
builder. All of us here are sharing something one way or the other. We just don't want to accept the fact. Davido's song, his latest song, with you. You are playing, dancing, 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 shaking your bum. You are promoting the song for him. You don't even know yourself. You got it?
Yeah, of course.
Does does Davido knows you? That Davido will
No,
see you on TikTok dancing according to his song, and you are doing your thing. He will come and say, "Hello, Abdul Majid. Today I saw you dancing with my song on TikTok. Take money."
no, no, no,
Do
no.
you understand? We go to church, we go to programs. Then we're like, "Oh, I love this church." Then you tell your friend, I'll join your church. I'll not go to my church again. Or I don't have any church. I'll become a member. You have shared. We do networking in our daily lives without even knowing. You go and get some nice Balenciaga. Then your friend will be, hey, Charlie, this your, I love it. Oh, can you show me where you bought it? You have marketed for Balenciaga free of charge when you are not even their marketing director. Do you get my point? So marketing, you need
Yeah.
to be consistent. Whether you are getting results or not, you need to keep pushing. There are over 8 billion people in this world. You cannot just depend on your friends. See, in this business, if you want familiar people to join you in it, that one, forget it. It will not happen. It is when they've seen you building cars, buying cars, building houses. That is when they will take the opportunity serious. Your own family members, they'll be making fun of you. But don't give up. Continue. There are people online, they are being scammed daily. You have to introduce this opportunity to them that with this, you have full control over your capital. Don't go after get rich quick scheme. They will break you. Okay, so Abdul Majid, if you are in my team, contact your upline. Let your upline contact me. I'll give you, I have tips that I've revised down that I share with people. I'll share with you. Once you are able to follow them religiously or diligently, you can get to the top through building of this opportunity. Not even only this opportunity, you can apply it in any business that you find yourself in. Okay.
Okay, okay.
All right. So I'm going to meet you now since that's all your question, right?
Yeah, that is my main point.
Okay, all right. So you have another point, or that is all?
Oh, as for now, that is where I'm focusing on because
Okay,
we too want to build something because we've been in
great.
the scam ones for long period.
For long,
This one we would
not
die.
only you.
I know we would die
Mm-hmm.
in it.
Thank you. We will get more life in it. All right, so Abdul Majid, I'm going to lower your hand and mute you, okay? So I'll take
Okay.
the next person. I'm so sorry. Today has been, we spent too much time. Pardon me, but it won't happen again. So, P. Richard, I know you're already in my team. You're my downline. I hope this question is related to not team building, but prospecting, like the what we discussed today. If it's about trading and blah blah blah, that one we can talk about it later because I don't want to confuse our prospects. Okay. So P Richard, kindly unmute yourself if it's not about activated members. So let me hear you, Richard.
Yeah, my question is almost the same what you are discussing.
Okay, okay. Then you've gotten
Mhm.
the answer in it, right?
Yeah. Our my
I'll
place
share
here,
you.
the scammers, the way people, the way they scam people a lot.
So
They
they are
scam people
scared.
a lot. They
They
are
are
scared.
doubting
So
Thomas's.
yeah. So if they ever see you doing this, the way they will even deceive you, the way they will even discourage you over that. So I don't, you
Oh,
even fear to go and talk to people that there is something like that to put money inside. So I don't know.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't know
I
how
understand.
to start. The way they
My dear,
scam people with heavy money and then
yeah,
the rest. So if they even see you doing this, the way they will even discourage you, and then it's like you
mm,
not even feel happy. Not to talk of
I
talking to
know.
them to join. So I don't know. Meanwhile, they are also suffering with poverty and that.
P. Richard, I
So,
understand, my dear. You know,
yeah.
in this business, if I tell you that
So
none
I'm
of
coming,
my
madam.
friends,
So
okay,
unless they see you as you said, unless they see you buying cars or something like that before they can come near to you.
okay, my dear, I
Uh-huh.
understand you, Richard, because
Yeah.
I'm in that same position. See,
Uh-huh.
my friends, my family, my real sister, she's not doing this
Yeah.
business. She has seen it thousand
Exactly.
times on my status since I started 2021. Ever since I started
Exactly.
this business, there is no day I haven't shared on cryptocurrency or RoyalQ. But they all see,
Exactly.
then they pass by. Hey, I need money. One of my aunties, my mom's last born, she's like, hey, Isnam, this is your business. I'll come and try you. I see it's very good. But don't worry, I'll come with the money. 3 years, 4 years, I'm still counting.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
People you
So
trust, people
so
that are close to you, they would
other
say
time you
no.
see, madam, you see, other time you told me that your capital is in your estate. That's where I just believe it. If not, I wouldn't have even come near
Mhm.
because of
Believe
that
it.
way
Yeah, you see,
and the and
where do
people,
you head?
my area, my people here, people go, they don't even understand what the crypto is, and not to talk of the exchange that they know their capital is here. So it's not easy to convince anybody to join.
Yeah, you don't have to convince them. You have to give
Uh-huh.
them the information
Yeah.
and let them decide.
Okay.
Let them be convicted,
Mm.
not convinced. Okay. So leave them, give them the information.
Yeah.
Don't force them. They will chase after
Mm.
you. I'm telling you. Okay. So, my dear, continue.
The crypto,
Don't only depend on people
I
you know,
understand.
because those people will disappoint you. There is a
So,
saying that
so
family and friends will not support your business. They will break it down. But
exactly.
strangers that are going to lift you up. So, my dear, don't give up. Since you are
So
directly
yeah,
under me,
I'm just
private chat
yeah,
me. Yeah,
I'm just preparing money to put it. So I don't just
focus there.
for yeah,
But
just
don't
make
give
my
up,
mind
my
prepare.
dear.
Oh, I'm
Richard,
just
don't
getting madam.
don't give up.
Yeah, I don't
Wait,
give up.
wait, Richard.
Yeah, I'm preparing money to just put more money so that
I'm saying
it
that,
will yeah,
Richard,
madam.
can you hear me?
Yeah, my
Don't give
network.
up on sharing the opportunity. No wonder.
Okay.
Don't give up
Okay.
on sharing the opportunity. You know why? Because you are not
Yeah.
only sharing to make money, you might be a
Okay.
blessing in someone's life. Through you,
Okay.
someone's financial background will change. Through you,
Okay.
someone will be able to go to school or get that
Yeah.
shop they need to get through you. So
Yeah.
don't
Yeah. Yeah.
try and block someone's blessing. Okay, so you
I
continue
see.
to share. If they come, fine. If they don't come, you are still trading. You are
Okay.
making your
Okay.
profit. Whether someone activates or not, I don't care because I'm
Okay.
making profit. Do you understand? So don't say I'm just
Yeah.
looking for money to trade, because when the market goes down, that your money is little, because people are trading with
Yeah.
billions of money, millions. So you that your $100,
Okay.
$300 is just like a dot. It's like a dot, a drop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't give up on
Yeah.
that. Okay. All
Yeah.
right. So I'm going to
Okay.
mute you and take the next person. Okay. Private chat me so I
Thank
send
you.
you the documents. All right. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to mute you, Richard. Now I'm taking Casca 64. So Casca, you are also an activated member. Oh, where are you? Hey, Casca. Sorry. Please unmute yourself. You're also an activated member. I hope your question
Yeah,
is related to
yeah. My
sharing.
question is yeah, it's not a question really.
It's a
Uh,
contribution
yeah,
or
not
takeout.
really. Yeah, take out. Yeah, I would want to congratulate you for a very powerful presentation, and
Oh, thank you.
most so importantly, bringing on board leader Julius Kabanda.
Oh,
The two of you guys are game changers.
okay.
Yeah, but the only thing I want is,
Yeah.
can I get a copy of your PowerPoint presentation, please?
Sure, you can.
Okay,
Which
all
country
right.
are you in, if I may ask, please?
I'm in Ghana, specifically Kumasi.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
okay. You have a nice voice.
thank you very much.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to send you my contact privately.
Oh,
You've been attending my meetings a lot. Today is my
yeah,
first
yeah.
time of hearing your voice.
I think you have my contact. I'm using
Really?
Francis Inyan. Yeah, Francis Inyan. You
Hey,
remember?
then I don't remember. The people are many.
Yeah, you gave me a link, an onboard person. I wanted to activate somebody from Germany.
Ah,
And then
you were the one.
you showed me the way.
I remember you, and you thanked me
Yes, yeah,
so much. You
yeah,
blessed
that's
me
right,
so
that's
much.
right.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
I
that was
remember
me.
it
Yeah,
now. Then I'll
yeah.
save your contact because I don't think
All
I've
right,
saved it. So
all right. I
I'll
believe this.
save
I
it.
believe in this so much. So I've activated my wife, who is from Hope,
Oh wow.
and then my
Oh,
daughter. Yeah,
your wife is a Voltarian.
yeah, yeah. And I'm a Fanti.
Oh wow, what a beautiful pair. That's great. Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Your
All right,
wife, if since she's a Voltarian, you can give my contact to her. We
all
can
right.
talk a
I'll do
lot
that.
and share
I'll do
ideas.
that.
All
I'll
right.
do that. I'll do that. I'll do that precisely.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice
All
having
right.
you.
All right. Nice. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay. All right. So I think that is all for tonight. I don't want to keep you guys waiting because I've spent so much of your time. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Today's meeting has been powerful. You can get the recorded version on my YouTube channel later after the presentation. Okay. Leader Doris, I'll be glad to reach him, Francis Enya. Okay, since you are in the same. Oh, you are Fanti. Okay, great. I'll give his contact to you. He's in Leader Naomi's team. Okay. So, yeah. So, in the chat, there are no questions. There are no questions. I'm just going through patiently so I don't skip anybody's question. Okay. There are no questions, just comments. Oh, wait. Hey, please wait. Oh, pardon me if I don't read. Hey, today there are a lot of things. Okay. So kindly give me some few minutes whilst I go through the question because I don't want to miss anybody. Love how you lay it out, ma. Ish, Jean. You are great. Keep it up. Thanks, Acrofios. Ish. The exchanges sponsors the Champions League. Yes, so they give 13 signals. Whether you enter or not, you win. Royal keys with no emotions, the best of all great. Is the listing of a coin you are trading not a loss? So Giroud Crypto Empire, that is a great question. So when a coin is being delisted, uh it's termed as a loss. Okay, now there are ways to prevent that. In the crypto industry, we have coins that we call pump and dump. And some of the coins, once they list them, the project backing them up are not actually true. Like later on, the exchanges find out that this is a rag pool. This is this. The coin does not meet their standards again, so they remove them. Now, mind you, Major exchanges like Binance remove them, but exchanges like L Bank, Gate.io, Maxi, KuCoin, those exchanges will still keep those coins. So in 100 years to come, if those coins go up again, you can take profit. But in this business, we advise, especially in my team, I recommend coins to trade. I teach that on every Wednesdays. Okay, I give you coins to trade, like how to know which coins to go in for, so you don't fall for any coin that is giving you a lot of profit today. Such coins, you need to run away from it. Every coin has a project backing it up. Okay, it's good to trade coins that have market dominance. Now, if you trade a coin and it's being delisted, I studied something about the delisting of coins. In the past, we didn't have all this knowledge. We were just trading any coin. And I always say in this business, you always learn to unlearn the things that you learned in the past. At first, we'll just jump. Highest negative, we jump on it. We don't even research on the coins. Is it a good coin or not? Okay, we just trade them. But one thing I notice is if they delist the coin, if they announce that, okay, this coin will delist it in 1 week time or 2 days or 3 days, you would see that the coin begin to rise. Like alpaca is a typical example I'll give now. It was delisted recently, and my team member was trading it. He bought it at a certain price. When it rose up a bit, he sold it at a loss. I was like, let's wait small, but he was scared because it was his first time a coin is being delisted. Do you know the coin rose up 300%? If he held up a little bit, he would have cashed out his capital plus more profit, but he was scared. So as it happened like that, I drew his attention. I said, have you seen it? That's why if the coin, they give it an ample time that maybe 1 week, in 1 week time or 2 weeks, we'll be delisting it. You don't have to rush to sell. Relax. That coin will pump. You take out, then you're out. Okay. In businesses, our own traditional business, no matter how perfect you are, sometimes you can just go on, let's say, for instance, you sell eggs. You go to maybe a different country or to supply, bring eggs. One day something can just happen. All those eggs, it will just break, or they'll seize them at the border. Something. So the listing of coins will take it to be one of those things that happen in businesses, but it doesn't mean every day you'll be losing. So the root crypto empire, I hope you got it. If we say RoyalQ does not give you a loss, it doesn't mean the listing. It simply means when you're on floating loss, there is no way the coin will trade at a loss. I hope that is clear. So Oppo says, is this a joke? I don't understand what he means by is this a joke? Selassie Bill says, trading a coin that is under monitoring for the listing is as you want to lose on purpose. Why will anyone want to do that? So please, on the RoyalQ app, if you see monitoring on a coin, do not trade it. Don't venture. Why? Because that coin is undergoing review. Binance is allowing their traders to vote on it to see if they should delist it or not. So if you see such a coin, monitoring on it, it's a signal. So don't go in for it. Now, Oppo says, what makes this business so special for other online business scammers? So, Oppo, my dear, next time come in with a name that we can address you instead of addressing you with the phone model. Now, what makes it different and unique is with this, your trading capital is with you. I'm not praying for that, but should in case we wake up and RoyalQ app is no more functioning on our phone, we have nothing to lose except for our activation fee and the fuel fee. The main deal, that is your trading capital, is in your exchange. So what do you have to lose? So that's one of the difference. If you want me to give you a lot, you have to see me privately because I cannot finish. The differences are a lot. You cannot compare all those online scams to RoyalQ. I'm talking out of experience. I've been using this bot from 19th of June 2021. So see me in private so we discuss the rest. Oppo continued to say, we are direly in need of a legit online business if there is one. And that is RoyalQ represent to you. I share RoyalQ with a lot of passion. Those who know me, they know. I've done a lot of online businesses. Name it. Product. IMS Mastery Academy. Which one haven't I done? Uploading of receipts, element, writing of so-called reports. They'll tell you the money is in the air. The money blockchain has blocked it, traffic has catch it. By then I didn't even know the meaning of blockchain. So when the CEO say it, we'll believe it. But now, hey, I know what blockchain is, so hey, I know where to check if the transaction is wherever. So you cannot come and tell me nonsense. With RoyalQ, you have full control over your capital, my dear. G Root says, okay, Dr. Umar was explaining something to G Root. Okay, thank you. What are some ways can cause one to lose? So, Oscar, to have explained to you. Samsung to, hey, who is Samsung? RoyalQ does not the list. Okay, so these are just uh, answers from some of the leaders who are already here in the business. Yeah, May Selesan. Hey, this name is very difficult. May Selesan or Con Selesan. Yes, you heard us right. So let's say if my capital is 100, how much will I gain a day? So this is where most of you get it wrong. I don't know which coin you'll be trading. I don't know what the market will be offering us tomorrow morning. We can wake up tomorrow and see BTC on 150. The same way we can wake up to see BTC on 85K. Nobody can predict the crypto future, no matter how best you use indicators. One news can make it either, can give us bad news or good news. Like the market will either go up or come down. Okay. All will depend on the market. However, let's finish the presentation. Okay, so Dr. Umar was adding up. Robert, okay, coupled with volatility, this is not a return on investment. Thank you. So there is no fixed return on investment. No, this is approximations we've given. We say 0.5 to 5% daily. Sometimes you might make more than this. Sometimes you might even make less. Or some days you don't make anything. Why? Your capital is not enough. The market has not gone up for it to sell the small that it bought for you. You are not on a loss, but there is no sell. It's possible. But people who have enough capital, every day they make something. When my upline shared his screen, you saw days that he made few dollars, days that he made a lot. So that is the crypto market for you. Angel, can you allow questions and comments, please? Secondly, would love to share my RoyalQ app if this is the right or not. So Oppo, whoever share the opportunity with you, they have to assist you to set it up. You have to get their link because the fake app they are on Google Play Store and Android Store. So I don't know where you downloaded it from. I'm sorry, your upline must assist you. Go back to where you got the link from. If you didn't get the link from anywhere and you need help, let me know. I'll drop my contact and assist you privately. Could you share your power? Okay, so Casca, I've replied you. I'll share it with you. No, please. What? Okay, so these are all. I'll not read all this. Oh, so questions were here. Someone would have said she has run away from our questions. No, me. So whatever question you have, I got answer for you. Rabbi Elvi says, military women in hills. I tell you. Okay, your village people just jump in here. Oh my God. iPhone plenty problems. This one there is iPhone iPhone what? iPhone hater. Okay. Those of us using advanced phone, this is our challenge. Your screen sharing is prohibited. No, it's not. You have to change the settings. Rabbi Elvis, I'll try and see if I can help you. Okay. So May Seller is saying which year? So the app was open to like consumers in 2021, March 2021. But before then, the app was already available helping companies and other private entities. Okay. So in total, the app has been functioning for close to 8 years now. I'm telling you. Okay. You can check it on the website, the Google Play Store. You would see the introduction of the app over there. Okay. Mm, okay. I'm just checking the ones that are necessary. I read them out. Okay. Mm, yeah, there is free mentorship in crypto trading. Yeah. Yeah. So Sophia says determination is key. Let's not be demotivated in spite of what comes our way. Very true. Thank you, but how often did Julius put in to get that amount, please? So, are you referring to the trading profits or the team building? Because he shared two different profits. So, Gen B, I'll be glad to know, but I can answer both. So, with the trading capital, I know Leader Julius has more than, if I'm not mistaken, 50,000 USDT he's trading with. But with the sharing of the opportunity, he started the robot business with just 85, even though the robot was 100. Remember, I told you the story. So, that is it from team building. Now he's on the last rank, so he earns global dividends. Okay. All right. Abdul, okay, I made Abdul access question. We are living here for life. Yes, for life, not death. 2 to 4 ish. Some of the English are too much. Two for the info. Boom, I'm in and I have to go. Ish. I don't understand two for the info, but it's okay. We need to educate them, but the problem is their willingness to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Thank you, Rabbi Elvis. Leader Doris, I'll be glad. Okay, I've read that already. So Gen B says, okay, so he put 50 USDT. So Gen B, 50,000. He didn't put all the 50 at once. He started small, topping up. But currently, the last time I checked, he has more than 50,000 in trades, 50,000 USDT. Ah, two is thank you. Hey, some of these shortcuts here, you people will kill us. You have, you say which one is two? Hey, Elvis, are you an encyclopedia or what? Thank you. Okay. Let me go back and read it again. Thank you for the info. Boom, I'm in and I have to go. Oh, okay. Now I know. I see the moon. So, guys, I love you all. Thank you for your patience. My brother in law, Mr. Oscar, despite your busy schedules, you're tiring, you and your wife were able to join till now. I love you all. Princess Minat, Selassie Bill, Pastor Joseph. Hey, Pastor Joseph, you are here. Let me hear your voice, please. And Jen B. Today, Angel Diva couldn't make it. Mama Dinah, you've been here from the beginning to the end. Guys, I love you all. I can't believe you've been here listening to my voice, my cracked voice. I have to get vitamin C to correct it because tomorrow I have more work to do with the voice. The voice is my tool. I cannot have it cracking. You got it? Pastor Joseph, let me hear your voice. Let me hear your sweet voice. Hey, where is Pastor Joseph? I hope you are not in church. Oh. I see Kweku Asari too here. I see Lion Terry. So what I do is in my Zoom meetings, I always like to give shout outs to people I know and also get to hear the voices of new members. Okay, so don't feel bad. I do this. Okay, I know some people there. I'm strict. I don't laugh. I'm a serious person. I'm not just Margaret iPhone from
Good
South
night.
Sudan.
Good
Yes,
night,
Leader
Leader Doris
Doris.
and
Thank
Royal
you for the
Wow.
presentation and for
Wow.
bringing in upline Julius Kabanda.
Wow. Wow. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed him and enjoyed the presentation. I'm so
Yes.
excited. Mousy, now let me hear your voice. Hey, Leader Naomi. Is it my one and only Leader Naomi or which Naomi is this? I see Rosita
I'm excited. I could
Pearl.
listen to this all night.
Oh, Gen B. Oh, is that Essie? Essie, was that you? You said you can
Yes.
listen all
Yes,
night.
this is
Oh
Essie.
my God.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Love you.
You're so inspiring and encouraging.
Oh,
Love you
thank
too.
you. Thank you. I want all the women, The English is not coming. Girl power empowerment or girl empowerment. Let's all rise. Okay, the women, we can also make it in this industry. I want to get a lot of traders that are women, that are ladies. You get it? Not only the men going the forefront. We the women must lead. Hey, Mama Kate. Hey, you made it. Oh
Yes,
wow.
oh,
So
yes, oh, my
excited.
leader. Thank you
My
so
one and
much.
only mother. You're
Yes,
welcome.
oh,
So,
thank you so
guys,
much.
love you all. I'm happy you all joined.
We love you
Madam Naomi,
too.
Love
I can hear
you.
your voice. Oh, the love is too much. I'm blushing.
We love you
My,
more.
my
Love you.
angel.
Hey, Pastor. My Pastor Joseph.
So
How are you?
the day Julius Kamada comes to Ghana, remember today that a day will come, Julius Kamada will come to Ghana for a presentation.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm just excited here. Today we are in the spirit. I'm so happy, Pastor Joseph. Happy to see you here. I'm marking these dates down. Wow. So, guys, thank you all. Kweku Asari, you are
Thank you.
Abby and Madrid. I think you were brought in by Margaret, right? Because I think I know your name is familiar, but
Yeah, he's the new person who joined yesterday, 2 days ago,
yeah,
almost
yeah,
two
yeah.
days ago.
The stranger you met at the bank, right?
Yes,
That was going to fall for
and
a
he
scam
immediately
opportunity.
decided to become part of it.
Oh my God, you see how angels are on earth, right? So this stranger
Yeah.
was going
Mhm.
to deposit into this scammer's account. Then my downline saved him. He said, "Hello, where are you sending this money to? The scammers. This opportunity, you have control over your capital." He said, "Wow, let's go, let's go." And he's here. I'm happy to see you here. So, guys, let's end here because you know the way I talk. I love talking. That is why I try to make money from my talking, right? Mausina, my namesake, I cannot end the call without hearing you and Madam Naomi's voice. I have to hear it.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. You know what? When you are earning in USDT left, right corner, you can
I'm telling
withdraw on
you, Doris.
Sundays. Your
Hey.
hello will even change.
Hmm, hmm.
Your walkings will change.
Hey,
Every
if this opportunity didn't come, then 'cause some of us, I don't know where we would have been.
would have been working with our heads
Hey,
in
okay,
this
you.
inflation economy. Like we are dead.
Hmm.
Hey, we thank God. We thank God for this God sent opportunity. I see Rosita Pearl. That is a nice name. Can we hear your voice, please? Hi. Some people
Hi,
are
how are
running
you?
away because they don't want me to hear their voice. Rosita Pearl, can we hear your voice? Don't worry, your voice is not recorded. Let me stop the recording. So, my YouTubers, I'm stopping the recording so you don't have long videos.